A dependable intuition. Studies say that we make around 35,000 decisions every day. Wondering how it is possible? Well, it's possible because most of the decisions that we make every day are unconscious. This means we are not even aware we are making decisions. For example, deciding to check messages on mobile, deciding to drink water, deciding to sit on a chair, deciding to wash hands, deciding to watch the news on TV. The list can go on and on and on. You see, the problem is not how many decisions you make in a day. The problem is how much time you can give to each decision. Imagine you are spending 1 minute of your life making each decision. In that 1 minute, you are thinking about all the pros and cons to make that decision. In that 1 minute, you are analyzing all facts available to you to make that decision. In that 1 minute, you are dealing with your anxiety and fears of what will happen if you make a wrong decision. If you spend 1 minute making a decision, then in 1 hour you can make a maximum of 60 decisions, and in one day a maximum of 1440 decisions. But for this, you have to sacrifice your night sleep. So, if we start thinking consciously and logically to make every decision, our life becomes extremely slow. We will become less efficient. We will become less productive. That's why all of us are dependent on our intuition so that we can make fast decisions. Intuition means making decisions randomly without knowing the reason why we made that decision. It plays an extremely important role in our day-to-day decision-making process. But the questions are, how much can we trust our intuition? How much can we rely on our intuition? What level of decisions can we make based on our intuition? Is the role of intuition just to make simple decisions like which movie to watch this weekend? Or can we rely on our intuition to make complex decisions like what product we need to develop for our market? To answer these questions, first you need to check how many decisions you make simply based on your intuition. I assume you would say all those decisions where stakes are low. For example, what to eat for breakfast, what to wear for the party, what program to watch on TV, what route to choose to avoid traffic, what to choose for a gift. In situations like the above, you decide quickly. You can't waste your precious time thinking about all the pros and cons. But what about those situations which could impact you physically, financially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually? How much can you afford to rely on your intuition? Let's take the example of decision you make in your business. Some people argue that they always make logical decisions. There is no scope of intuition in work. If you also believe the same, then I have an exercise for you. Sit at a quiet place and think about how many times did you manage your team without your intuition? How many times did you manage your daily operations without your intuition? How many times did you hire people without your intuition? How many times did you qualify your prospects without your intuition? How many times did you buy products and services without your intuition? How many times did you launch new products without your intuition? How many times did you judge people performance without your intuition? How many times did you negotiate deals without your intuition? How many times did you solve customers' queries and complaints without your intuition? How many times did you price your products without your intuition? How many times did you solve your employees' conflicts without your intuition? How many times did you close deals without your intuition? Also, think about how do you pitch the right product to your prospective customer without your intuition? How do you apply different selling techniques at different times without your intuition? How do you prioritize your work without your intuition? How do you make sales calls, sales presentations, and talk and write persuasively without your intuition? Still, you think you don't depend on your intuition? Without intuition, it becomes difficult for us to manage our job, business, family, relationships, and social life. The question we should ask ourselves is not how much we depend on our intuition. The right question we should ask ourselves is how can we develop this dependable intuition? Does it come naturally or do we have to develop it systematically? Many people think intuition comes with experience. The more experience you have, the better you can rely on your intuition. But if this is true, then how are young people becoming successful so fast? How do young entrepreneurs come with the right products and services for the right market at the right time? How are young professionals becoming experts in careers which nobody had thought about a few decades back? How are young creatives and innovators coming with unique, unconventional ideas to make the world a better place to live? The answer is knowledge. Knowledge beats experience again and again. I am not saying gaining experience doesn't help. Experience teaches us how to deal with problems in the future. What I am saying is that waiting for months and years to gain experience is not smart. The world is no longer dependent on experienced people. It's knowledge based, smart people who are changing the shape of our lives. Because these smart people have developed their power of intuition about what is going to happen next.